In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find Cisco WebEx meeting ID and link and mute on entry. By the end, you'll know exactly where to locate your meeting details and how to join quietly so you can avoid background noise and keep your meetings professional. Start by opening the WebEx app. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in with your usual credentials so you're taken to your home view. Once you're in, head to the Meetings section. This is where WebEx keeps your upcoming meetings and your personal room information in one place. In the Meetings view, look for your personal room. Right there, you'll see your personal meeting link, which is the URL you can share or use to start an on-the-fly meeting. Alongside it, you'll also see the meeting number, which is a 9-digit code. Think of your personal room as your always available meeting space. The link and number don't change, so it's great for recurring or ad hoc calls. If you're joining a scheduled meeting instead, you can also find the details in your email or calendar invite. Open the invite, then scroll to the Join Meeting section. You'll see the meeting link clearly listed, plus the 9-digit meeting number. The link lets you jump right in from your device, while the meeting number is handy if you're asked for it in the app or need to reference the meeting quickly. Now let's make sure you join quietly. Just before you enter a meeting, you'll land on the preview window where you can check your camera and sound. Click the audio options there. From the list, choose Don't Connect to Audio and then click Start Meeting or Join. This ensures you enter completely muted and won't transmit or hear audio until you decide to connect. When you're ready to speak, you can connect your audio from the same audio options menu and unmute yourself. If you're hosting and want everyone to enter quietly, open the Participants panel once you're in the meeting. Click the three-dot menu in that panel and select Mute on entry. With this enabled, every new participant joins muted, which helps prevent interruptions from background noise. You can toggle this setting on or off at any time during the meeting, and you can still unmute individuals or ask them to unmute when it's their turn. That's it. Open the app and sign in, go to Meetings to see your personal room link and 9-digit number, or grab them from the Join Meeting section in your invite. Then use Don't Connect to Audio to join quietly, and Mute on entry to keep the room calm as people come in.